Hello everybody, so check this out. I haven't been to a barber salon for over a year. Should I go get a haircut? Look at this. Look at this craziness. My wife hates this. She hates this and she says I need a haircut. What do you think? Kinda scared. Kinda scared because I kinda got used to this hair. It's been a little over a year since I've been at the place. What if they mess up on this? Like they're gonna ruin it. So what do you guys think? Look at this. Look at that. What do you think? Should I get it? I think it's time. This is the longest my hair ever been. Actually, it was longer a week ago, but my wife cut this much from the back. So let's go. Hold on. We need a good thumbnail. Let's go get a haircut. Seriously, I don't know if they're gonna let me record it. If they're not, then I apologize. Let's go. If you like this, share, subscribe, like, comment. Comment below, please. What do you think my hair's gonna... What do you think I'm gonna look like with my new hairstyle? Comment below, thank you. And it's gonna start raining right now, look at that. Evil sky. Spooky, let's go. Honestly, another reason why I'm scared of getting my haircut is because what if they cut my hair and I'm balding? Am I balding? Like, literally, I'm gonna freak out. I'll be like, put it back on now. And when I'm at the outlet, you know, when I'm at the store, this hair makes me look like I'm a crazy guy. Like people like step away when Andre's digging through the bins. You know what I mean? Seriously, it's like it's one of those things. Gives me that rough kind of looks, and people are like, oh shit, this guy's freaking crazy. Let's move to the side. Let him take all the good stuff. Seriously, I just don't want to be pushed around with my new hairstyle like some sissy. You know what I mean? Okay, well, let's see if it's gonna all change. The heck is that? I better not have like spit on the side of my mouth. Don't you hate when people talk and it's like... Yeah. Let's go. Oh no, am I gonna do it? Oh, did you hear that? I think we're in some kind of a storm in here. Look at that. I did see lightning and I thought it was my flash. Can't even speak English today, I'm so scared. Seriously. It's nasty out here. Nasty, and I'm gonna get a haircut before I get struck by lightning. Look at this nasty freaking weather. So I'm gonna go to this Asian salon. Keep my fingers crossed. Look at this rain. Let's get outside and see how long it's gonna take me to get like soaked. Let's go. Okay, this is living in Portland. Watch this. Watch what's gonna happen to me. I'm like wet. Let's go. Hi.
Oh, hello.
Can I get a haircut?
How are you?
Good. It's been a year.
Yeah.
It's been years.
You move?
No, not yet. I did not move yet.
Okay, you can wait 5 minutes.
Yes. Hi.
5 minutes.
How are you?
Good, have you?
I'm good.
You look like this one.
Look different, yeah. Looks scary. Yeah. Alright, this is the time, guys. Scary. Look at this rain. Look at this rain. I think like the whole universe is telling me not to get a haircut. Look at that that's living in Portland for you, my friends. All right. Yeah, it's been a year. My wife actually cut this much last week. It was really too long.
Can cut for you?
A little bit on the back, in the back.
Okay.
I want it long on top and shorter everywhere. I mean, let's just keep a little bit and see what's gonna look like. Right there. Wash. What's up? Look at that. Got a haircut. I don't know if you see anything or it looks like anything, but you know what? It feels light, feels good. I don't think my wife gonna like it because she probably wanted it shorter. But you know what? Baby steps. I can't just like go bald from hair to bald. I can't do that. No. It's gonna take gradually time gradually. I'm gonna go get some coffee, and we have to do some shipping because we sell on eBay and we had some decent sales last night. Yeah, it was great. So thank you. If you liked my haircut, please comment below. You know, leave me a positive feedback or a negative, or tell me what you think, or tell me what kind of haircut you would think would look good on me. That's right. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Follow me.